Okay, so I'm here in Xinhualu, which is one of my favorite streets here in Shanghai. At this time of the year, it's very nice because all the leaves of the trees, they fall down. A lot of people, they come here to do actually what I'm doing now, like these guys taking picture of his girlfriend, which is there. It looks also, it reminds me like a little bit like Abbey Road in London. And I'm here in a Xiaomi shop. Xiaomi is one of my favorite brands in terms of technology. As many of you, well, my friends know, I'm a kind of a geek in terms of technology. And actually Xiaomi is surprisingly doing very well. And they are innovating and showing especially products for the smart home right now. Besides also the telephones, the smartphones, and laptops, and all these amazing products they are doing right now. I used to love Apple products, but right now I think Xiaomi is doing very well.